how to transfer money from Chime Credit Builder card to spending account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from Chime Credit Builder card to spending account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to transfer money from Chime Credit Builder card to spending account, you have to follow these steps. First, tap on Move Money, which is at the bottom of the home screen. Then tap Transfer Funds. After that, using the green arrows on the right side of the screen, select the desired from and to accounts. Then enter the amount you'd like to move and tap Transfer. Then on the next screen, review the transfer amount and the accounts selected. At last, tap Confirm Transfer to complete the transfer. So that's how you can transfer money from Chime Credit Builder card to spending account. That's all for this video.